Wow, there's 5 of it. Time to harvest.
Look how much we got. Big one too.
Yeah, get some more over here. Over here. Come there, see you. How are we gonna do this?
That's like way up.
I know. Open it. Oh, I got it, Mario.
Can you see?
I got it.
Collection.
Okay.
See, get some more. Right there. Get. Wow, there's 5 of it. Hey, Margaret, we're gonna take some.
How about this one, Dad?
Ooh, I got one.
This one, Dad.
No, it's not ripe yet.
Oh, that's big.
There's 2 over here. See, I got it. More.
Sorry.
There's one more. Ah! There's 2. One. Took everything. Wait.
CO2 is not good for my eyes.
That's how much we gained.
Now make sure you put this in the sink later, okay?
Some more.
Okay.
But it's not right.
There's a lot over here.
Okay, I'll tell them our orange is not really orange. That one is the perfect ripe.
Our orange is not an orange. it's just like a. It's sour and sweet, but it tastes good.
Oh, alright.
The next day.
we're gonna get the dragon fruit. Oh, we already have one already?
Yeah,
Wait,
I
wait.
pick over there, the other side.
Tomato, make them smooth. Not smooth like this.
Apa no si Kang namin tagibid yung kakamangan ka.
But look at here while they're arguing. Look at this. And all that. Wow.
Saduan na kanina.
It's beautiful. They're not even supposed to be here.
There's too much talking this one.
Look, we'll be picking those.
Mama,
Oh look, they
just-
picked the
Already
bird.
there.
Picked the other one already. I mean, there's a hole
This
on
one
it.
right?
Yeah. You know, I don't.
It's a lot of dragon fruit actually. It's more than it's more than last year. And we have one right here. I'm just like I'm showing the viewers the dragon fruit. There's just too much over here, so I have to show the lone one. That's how it works.
Yeah, the big one. This is the purple, I think.
These are the purple one.
Get the hair. See, there's another one right there. Give me.
Oh no.
Did you eat it, actually?
Yeah.
Oh
The birdie eat it.
Oh,
Hopefully those two, they didn't eat it.
there's bugs all over those though.
Yeah, how to pick the dragon fruit. Just twist slowly. Twist it slowly, in that way you're not gonna hurt the plant itself. Right there. There you go. See?
Or you
Perfect.
can use this thing.
Which hurts the plants, but like it's more effective.
The other side over there, the other two.
Where? Oh no,
Those two are like covered in
mold.
I'm holding it.
Oh, Dad, the dog hears you, sees you.
Marco, where are you?
Oh yeah, there's. Oh look at this. Oh, there's aphids on this. Oh, there's aphids on this. No, aphids. Look, ants and aphids.
Because it's sweet, that thing.
There, big. Oh, get ants.
There's aphids on there too. Yeah,
A
wash them
lot
off.
of ants.
Ew. That's a wash piece later.
Okay.
Right there. Look, there's so many over here.
Alright. I'm gonna move the camera over to me.
This one is like this. You can use what is this again, Marco?
I don't know. Branch cutters? I don't know what they're called.
Cutter.
Just slowly, smooth like this. You're too fast.
A lot of
This
dragon
one,
fruit.
the white one, there's no ants.
These are the strong ones. Right?
It's sweet, that's why that red.
Ooh, I don't like the look at this. Here, focus in. Oh my God, focus. Oh, right there. There's ants eating
There's
away at
ants?
that one. Yeah, there's ants trying to like
Oh.
eat away at that. I mean, they haven't gotten through, but like it's they haven't gotten through, but they're starting to eat their way.
Oh yeah. Even I thought, how come the white over here doesn't have ants? The back side, there's ants.
Huh?
Last time they're all big. This time it's not that big. I'm gonna share it with grandma maybe and the neighbor.
There's so much. Yes, look at all that. We only get this quantity at the Philippines.
You can go sell it in downtown. It's expensive. It's $4.99 per pound.
And like a single dragon fruit is a pound, Mom?
Around. Well, this one I think it's not that ripe. And this one too.
Okay.
You can leave that.
Ooh.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, we got two.
This
Like,
one over here.
two next to each other.
Oh, I heard that thing.
It's okay, Mom. We're ready to trim this dragon fruit. Just the sad truth, because as you can see, the dragon fruit has gotten way too big to the point where it's swallowing this this tree. So we're gonna have to trim it once all the fruit is grown. It's the sad truth, but we have to. Or else it's gonna grow out of control and we're gonna start stepping on dragon fruit cactus.
Oh, one. We're gonna leave those two. Or we're just gonna pick it.
Are we gonna move on to another one?
Yeah.
We're just gonna observe the tomatoes. Hey, Dad.
See that?
Oh, wait, what? We have stuff here? Oh, I didn't notice. Right next to the purple one. We have a lot of these
This
actually.
is the second batch. Oh, actually third. Third batch, right?
Look at all that.
Oh, look, the birds, they try
Eat.
to eat it. You see?
The white one, the white dragon fruit have tough skin.
And there's one more over here. And it's round. This is the red one.
Perfecto.
Perfecto.
beautiful.
See, look. Red ones are circle, more like circle. The white one is like oval.
It's like spiky green.
It's more spiky, the red, look. See? And it's more circle.
Yeah, you can tell the difference. This is an
actually, we
oval.
still have in the front, you know.
Oh, okay. Okay, we're gonna do a side quest. We're gonna harvest some beans
We're gonna harvest beans
for XP experience.
or vegetables for food. Oh, it's dried out.
This is the fruits of a gardener.
The fruits of hard work.
Yeah.
Oh, it's dry, that one. I'm gonna
Oh.
plant it again.
Side quest.
Oh, even the
Moringa beans.
oranges.
Oranges. Oh, oh.
The oranges are ripe over there. We can pick those too.
It's like, we'd be harvesting a bunch of stuff today, I guess. We didn't expect this. Oh, ooh, we can see there. I think that's overripe. That's right. Many there. Oh shit. Oh, frick, I stepped on something. My bad. Many here. Beautiful orange. And this tree was here when we moved into this house, which is nice. And it was like almost dead, and then we revived it by putting compost. We're gonna pick the oranges now.
Picking oranges. Hawaiian oranges. Oh, that one is so orange. I need to shoot like that.
Oh, I don't.
You don't know how.
I'm rookie and everything. That's why.
Rocky. Full.
Yeah.
There. There's some more over there. Let me do it. Nee.
I'm gonna switch. Hey.
See. That one's good.
We got a lot of stuff to harvest today.
There. Oh,
Well-
there's one more over there.
I'm gonna go put it in basket. A lot of boys.
How we gonna go there?
There's one behind the leaves over there, and my mom's trying to get that one. This tree is fairly huge, so we have to like.
We're gonna trim this tree too later.
Oh,
Because it's getting big.
yeah, we took care of it too much, Mom.
We're gonna extend the.
All right, we got him. We got one in the. We got another one in the process. Eh. Oh no. Add to our inventory. Big. Oh. I'm dry. I can't. I can't hold the oranges with one hand. There you go. It's a big boy. You can tell the size difference. Big. What about the size of the purple? Another one? Oh.
Okay.
Wait, you want to go to the front? You said that there is more in the front, Mom?
Yeah.
Alright.
I'm gonna pick those beans first. Can you put this back?
Okay.
What? You're having a problem with that now?
Yeah.
You cannot even carry already. Oh, it's full, that's why, yeah?
Yeah, it's full. This is like pounds and pounds of fruit.
Okay, we're gonna go in the front because there's some more. This way.
Oh, these ones?
Yes. So you can pick those two. That's the first fruit in there.
There's a snail here, and I don't want to step on it.
The red didn't.
Are you
yeah,
sure, Mom, you want me to get rid of this?
What you mean?
Like, pick it? No?
Yeah.
Okay.
Pick 4 of them.
I'm just gonna twist
Yes.
them.
You can twist it or you can cut it.
Mm.
Having a hard time.
The fruit is spiky. Oh gosh, yeah, it's actually pretty difficult. Oh no, I got it. There we go. Got it. Yep.
Two. Smaller one, yeah.
Yeah. Little babies.
We can move. You
Alright,
can go sell now.
I'm your wholesaler, and we got about let's see, we got eight. We got 8 purples, and we got about let me count this real quick. We got 15 whites, which is extremely.
And we didn't pick the other 2 in there because
Yep.
it's there, I think.
We have
And we have our beans in there too. I gotta cook beans.
and 9 oranges, ripe oranges. It's beautiful. We have never gotten this much before in the harvest.
Yeah, dragon fruit.
Dragon fruit wise, it's like a new record for us. Now we're gonna wash these because there's aphids and ants everywhere, and we're gonna.
But
store it.
the first batch we pick the dragon fruit. We pick 13 whites and then 4 reds. Purple one, right?
Yeah,
Last time.
like this is wait, it's more than we ever got.
Yeah, this time is more.
Yeah.
But oranges, actually, it's not that much because Daddy and you pick up already, right?
Yeah.
Pick those oranges earlier.
Just some off-camera picking.
Okay,
We're gonna wash them now.
we're gonna wash it now.
Okay, we're cleaning the fruits in our garage sink so that they're clean of aphids and ants, so we can consume them later. Alright, so this is what we harvest. A lot of things. It's a knife here. It's all organic from the garden. And this is the fruits of being a gardener. If you like our videos, subscribe, hit the bell to get notified for our videos. Subscribe and comment if you want. I don't know, you can comment if you want. And thanks, and mahalo! Happy gardening, gamers.